Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a super fun French quiz with 15 multiple choice questions made just for beginners. So ready? Let's begin. How do you say hello in French? And the answer is bonjour. You say hello in French by saying bonjour. What does merci mean? And the answer is merci means thank you in French. What is bread in French? And the answer is bread is called pain in French. Je m'appelle means, and the answer is je m'appelle means my name is. What does bonne nuit means? And the answer is bonne nuit means good night. What is the French word for cheese? And the answer is the French word for cheese is fromage. How do you say yes in French? And the answer is to say yes in French, you say oui. What is milk in French? And the answer is milk is called lait in French. What does pomme means? And the answer is pomme means apple. How do you say please in French? And the answer is to say please in French, you say s'il vous plaît. What color is bleu? And the answer is bleu is blue in English. Which one means water? And the answer is water is called eau in French. How do you say I love you in French? And the answer is to say I love you in French, you say je t'aime. What is chat in French? And the answer is chat in French is cat. What does très bien means? And the answer is très bien means very good. Great job, everyone. So, how many did you answer correctly? Let me know your score in the comment box. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy French learning videos. Thanks for watching. À bientôt.